Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Ryan here, and we're doing an experiment. Today we'll be doing a confetti launcher, and the things we will be needing will be scissors, paper, empty water bottle, and a balloon. Our first step is getting our bottle and cutting the top and leaving a little bit of the bottle still. All right guys, once you cut your water bottle, you can put this part to the side. We're only gonna be using this. Next, we're gonna get our paper, and we're just gonna cut a little bit of paper just so we can have a little bit of confetti, not too much. All right, once you have a little bit of confetti, you're gonna grab your top and you're gonna take it off. Be careful. You grab your balloon and you put it around the cap like this. You get your little pieces of confetti, you drop them into the balloon. All right guys, we're back. What you want to do is you want to grab the bottom of the balloon and pull it really fast. There we go. There we go. All right, guys, it's Ryan Booker again. Thanks for coming back and watching another video. Like and subscribe. Happy holidays.